Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to find squares from 1 to 1000 in 5 seconds. We are going to learn many different methods of finding out these squares. So make sure that you watch the video till end. Let's start with a 2-digit number 73. Now the first step is let's split the 2 digits as 7 and 3. First write down 7 square, that is 49, and now write down 3 square, that is 9. Now 9, because it's a single digit, always make sure that you write down 09. After that, just multiply the numbers amongst themselves. So 7 into 3 into 2. Now write this multiplication, which is 42, below 4909. Remember, don't write anything below the units place. Now add these things. The answer comes as 5329, which is nothing but 73 square. Let's try another one. Let's try and find out 47 square. Now splitting 47 as 4 and 7. Now 4 square is 16 and 7 square is 49. Now multiplying the numbers amongst themselves, 4 into 7 into 2, we get 56. Now adding this thing, 1649 and 56, again remember, do not write anything below the units place. So the addition comes as 2209, which is nothing but 47 square. Let's try another one. Now let's find out 89 square. Now again splitting 89 as 8 and 9. So 8 square is 64 and 9 square is 81. Now multiplying the numbers amongst themselves, 8 into 9 into 2, we can write down 144. Again remember, I am repeating, do not write anything below the units place. Now adding these two numbers, we get the answer as 7921, which is nothing but 89 square. Now let's try a 3-digit number. Let's take and find out 108 square. Now you have split 108 as 10 and 8. So 10 square is 100 and 8 square is 64. Now multiplying the numbers amongst themselves, we have 10 into 8 into 2. We can write down 160. Again, I am repeating, do not write anything below the units place. So adding this thing, we get the answer as 11664, which is 108 square. Taking another 3-digit number, let's try and find out 211 square. Now let's split it up as 21 and 1. So 21 square is 441 and 1 square is 0. Now multiplying the numbers amongst themselves, 21 into 1 into 2, we have 42. Now adding these two numbers, we get the answer as 44521, which is nothing but 211 square. Now let's try and find out 211 square, but by a different approach. Now we are going to split 211 as 2 and 11. So first of all, write down 2 square as 4 and then 11 square as 121. Now multiplying the digits amongst themselves, we have 2 into 11 into 2, which is 44. Now is the main crucial part. Now because 11 is a 2-digit number, do not write down anything below units place and the tens digit place. So therefore write down 44 here and now add the two numbers. We will get the same answer as the previous thing. We will get it as 44521. Now we are going to learn a new approach to find out squares. The concept behind this approach is this formula. A square is equal to a plus b into a minus b plus b square. Now we know that a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So that minus b square and this plus b square part gets cancelled out and we have only a square part remaining. Now let's learn how to apply this formula. Now let's say we want to find out 108 square. Now always remember, in this method your first approach should be to convert 108 into a number whose table you know. So 108, the nearest number table which I know is 100. So let's take B part here as 8. So I can convert this by using the above formulas: 100 into 116 plus 8 square. Now multiplying 100 and 116, I have 11600 plus 8 square, that is 64. So the answer we get is 11664. Very simple. Let's try for 86 square. Now 86 square, the nearest table I know is of 90. So let's convert this 86 square as like this. So 90 into 82 plus 4 square. What we have done here is we have added 4 to 86, we get 90, and subtracted 4 from 86, we get 82. Now multiplying by 90 is very simple. I know the table of 9, so it is not that difficult. I hope every one of you also knows the table at least from 1 to 10. So multiplying this thing, we have 7380 plus 4 square, that is 16. We get the answer as 7396. Let's try out another example. Let's try and find out 211 square. Now 211, I can write it down as 200 into 222 plus 11 square. Now multiplying by 200 is quite simple. So we get the answer as 44400 plus 11 square, that is 121. Adding up, we get the answer as 44521. Now we have already checked out this 211 square by a couple of methods previously. So this obviously is correct. Let's try another one, 393 square. Now 393 square, I can write it down as 400 into 386 plus 7 square. So multiplying by 400, we get 154400 plus 7 square, that is 49. So adding up, we get 15449, which is nothing but 393 square. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please do share it with your friends and family, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel.